Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the lecture is about sociology. The contents of the lecture are: Introduction, what is society, definition of sociology, subject matter of sociology, nature of sociology, scope of sociology, and conclusion. Introduction. The word sociology was coined by Auguste, a French philosopher, in 1839. He is considered as the father of sociology. Sociology is the youngest of all social sciences. The word sociology is derived from the Latin word societas, which means society, and the Greek word logos means science, study or advanced study, science of society, or the study of society. What is sociology? A large group of people who live together in an organized way, making decisions about how to do things and sharing the work that needs to be done. All the people in the country or in the several similar countries can be referred to as society. This is according to Cambridge Dictionary. According to Oxford Dictionary, community of the people living in particular country or region and having shared customs, laws, and organization is known as society. Definition of sociology. According to L.F. Ward, sociology is the science of society or of social phenomena. According to Ginbergs, sociology is the study of human interaction and interrelation of their condition and consequences. According to Emile Durkheim, sociology is a science of social institutions. According to Urban and Nimkov, sociology is a study of social life. And according to Kimball Young, sociology deals with the behavior of men in group. Subject matter of the sociology. Sociology is study of society, science of social life, study of social relationship, the study of human behavior in groups, the study of forms of social relationship. Nature of sociology. Sociology is an independent science. Sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Sociology is a categorical and a not nominative discipline. Sociology is a pure science and not an applied science. Sociology is relatively an abstract science, not a concrete science. Sociology is generalizing and not a particularizing or individualizing science. Sociology is both irrational and empirical. Now the scope of sociology. Two different views about the scope of sociology. There is no one opinion about the scope of sociology. In the broadest sense, sociology is studying human interaction, their condition and consequences. Conclusion. Nowadays, sociology becomes a very famous subject. Because of its scope, many people wish to study this. Sociology is the study of human social relationship and institution. It offers a distinctive and enlightening way of seeing and understanding the social world. Students who have been well trained in sociology know how to think critically about human social life. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel to get new and updated informations.